Good morning, everybody. Happy Tuesday. I hope you enjoyed Module 1. I plan to have both your discussions and your papers graded no later than Friday of this week. Don't forget to adhere to the time limit on discussion posts. One of the tenets of APA style is to be able to communicate concisely, and that includes verbal as well as written communication. So there's no limit, though, on how many responses that you can reply to your colleagues. So I do encourage you to communicate and engage deeply with your colleagues as you go throughout the course on those discussions. So for Module 2, we'll be discussing hope and motivation. And you will read about hope theory, which is probably a little different than you have thought about in the past. So the scholarly definition of hope is that hope is a way of thinking about the future and our goals, as well as our ability to set realistic goals for ourselves. To reach those goals, however, we need something called way power, or pathways towards those goals. And that includes being able to generate several different pathways toward our goals. The second thing we need is willpower, or the agency or motivation to reach our goals. So I hope you enjoy reading about hope, and just want you to know that hope is also connected with several wonderful outcomes, including success in several domains such as academic success. In fact, there was a great study that found that hope scores are a better predictor of college freshman GPA than high school grades or ACT, SAT scores. So pretty cool findings. Hope is also connected to our physical health as well. And if you're interested in reading this, you don't have to, but I'll also include a link to a chapter I wrote on hope and physical health recently. Anyway, as part of this module, there is a hope assessment that you will take to find out your own level of hope, which then you'll incorporate into your paper. I can't wait to hear what you think about hope and how you think this will help you as a leader. Take care, everyone.